Healing power of nature is to providing you with the best holistic therapy to address your personal needs both at physical and spiritual level as you partake in a wellness journey. The main modality employed in our practice is physiotherapy coupled with acupuncture for pain management. We strive to offer physiotherapy and acupuncture techniques in an effort to address the disharmonies or dis-ease in the body, but are not limited to conditions such as a back and neck pain, sports injuries, foot and ankle pain, chronic pain syndrome, and neurological conditions such as strokes. The treatment types employed include mobilizations, manipulation and muscle tension release, as muscle energy techniques, acupuncture, taping and personalized exercise program. So, whether you seek a healthier, more peaceful and balanced way of living or alleviate and manage pain, we invite you to experience the healing power of nature. For more information, contact us today.